Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna finish the unicorn painting. So we're gonna paint the unicorn and the last bits of the landscape it's standing in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for weekly tutorials, and if you have any questions, comment them down below. On to the video. As usual, I already created the outline of the unicorn with gesso. I go over the silhouette again with titanium white. And I just want to let you know now already that this part of the painting was kind of time sensitive due to the fast drying time of acrylic paint. I create the shadows from a mixture of carmine and primary cyan. I blend it partially into the white paint to soften the shadow and create a gradient, but also to simply give some color to the unicorn's fur. And this is what I meant with it's kind of time sensitive because yeah, you need to blend a lot of the harsher, darker colors into the white. I accentuate some areas again with titanium white. These are the areas that would be exposed to the most light, so that would actually appear white to the eye. Not much in nature is like really white. There's always some other color into it, except for snow maybe. So even if it is a fancy painting and a fancy creature, I really like to keep the rules of nature in mind. To a certain extent. I go in with the carmine and cyan mix again to create shadows and make it all more a little bit colorful. And again I blend it into the white part, so there will be a gradient.
heb nu het idee, dat is een soort...
For the shadows on the grass, I use a mixture of primary cyan and olive green dark. I use dapping motions with a round brush to imitate that there is grass and that there may be grass strands catching lights in front of the shadowy parts of the grass, and also the other way around, so that there may be grass catching shadows while in front of a light part. I use titanium white, yellow ochre and oxide black for the horn. Unfortunately, I put my head in front of the camera, so please just believe me that I actually did this. I know it's an issue in the last few videos, and I did the same with the hooves, which I made from varying amounts of oxide black and titanium white. We'll try to fix it in the coming videos. And with that, we finish up painting. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and hit the subscribe button for weekly tutorials on Friday. See you on the next painting and have a nice day!